Hey everyone! Have you ever needed to find a specific message, a photo, or a link you shared with someone months ago, and you find yourself endlessly scrolling up through a massive chat history trying to find it? It is an absolute nightmare, and honestly, a total waste of time. But you definitely don't have to scroll manually. Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly search, filter, and check your Telegram history like a pro. Let's jump right into it. First things first. Open up any chat or group where you want to look up past messages. If you're on your phone, tap the contact's name or the group header at the top to open their profile details, and look for the search icon. If you're on desktop, just click the magnifying glass in the top right corner. Now here's the game-changing trick. Instead of just typing a keyword, tap on the calendar icon that pops up in the search bar. This lets you jump straight to a specific date in history. Pick the year, month, and day, and Telegram will instantly transport your chat history right to that exact moment in time. Another awesome way to check your history without digging through text is by using Telegram's built-in media tabs. Tap the profile header of the chat again, and you'll see organized tabs like Media, Files, Voice, Links, and Music. If you're looking for a PDF you sent 3 weeks ago, tap the Files tab. If you're looking for a shared photo or video, jump straight into the Media tab. Everything is neatly archived chronologically, meaning you can find what you're looking for in seconds instead of minutes. And that's pretty much it. No more endless thumb scrolling to find old messages. If this quick tip saved you a bunch of time, hit that thumbs up button, and let me know in the comments if there's another Telegram feature you want a quick guide on. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.